Traditionally speaking, the Hispanic population in the US has been measured, its value has been measured by using a sample size between 20 and 30,000 people that are sent journals. When you're a retailer, you need to know what's going on within a 1, 3, and 5 mile radius of your store. So the business question was one of, let's not use sample data anymore. Let's get rid of the days of sample data. Let's have all the data. Let's bring in all the data from multiple sources.
So what we do as a company is that we have built a core data asset of about 17 million US adult Latinos that we leverage to build solutions on top of. So not only do we have a pretty large data set in our environment, we're ingesting about 2,000 different data sources, but we also have to have the flexibility to be able to ingest client data. So we work with a client that's in the hospitality space, and in order for us to build the solution that we needed to build, we had to ingest close to 9 million records, 9 million unique CRM records into our environment.
The journey started with a business question, and the business questions led us to then start evaluating what would be the right technology to embark this upon. The answer was, well, doing it with traditional technology was not going to work for various reasons. That's when Hadoop started coming into play.
You know, Hadoop has really given us the flexibility to do what we do. Hadoop is not just about the massive amount of data that you can amass and that you can store and you can manipulate. That's a given that we can do that. As a company, we need to be very agile, and our analytics have to be very quick in terms of being able to deliver something to our clients. We began to use Hadoop in Hortonworks to basically propagate in the organization. We're developing applications that help finance. We're developing applications that help our broadcasting. We're developing dashboards that aggregate all KPIs and bubble them up to the top. We're reducing the lead time of production of reporting from weeks to days. And not only are we thriving as a business offering our services to our client, but our parent company has benefited enormously from this core asset, this analytical asset.
We at Intravision, for example, we have saved, I would say, north of 7 figures by implementing a lot of big data solutions inside of our own company, where we were otherwise paying for third-party data and third-party software. What I look for in a business partner is one, they will stand side by side with us in the good times and the bad times. One of the great things that we liked about Hortonworks is the mentality that Hortonworks adopted from the beginning with us of saying, we're going to solve the problem. Whether it's a Hortonworks Hadoop problem, or whether it's a problem that we're having with a third-party software that you're integrating, or whether it's an issue that you're having in your Amazon cloud environment, in your AWS environment, we will take ownership of it, and we will help you go through the answers, and we will train your staff, and we will train your team so that the next time that this happens, you will know the root cause and the corrective action that comes with it.
This is not trivial. I mean, it's complex, and there's a lot of implications in terms of that drive success. So having the right partner that can understand your business needs, and your data needs is really critical.